Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. In your personal account, click on the Reports item in the top menu. Then select Ifta. Select an additional option if necessary. You can select the required route for generating the report in the Trip Waypoints menu. Click on the Run Trip button to view the route. You can also select personal parameters of the car and trailers, such as type, number of axles, weight, type of fuel, height, and many more additional personalization options. Click the Add Trip button to add the selected route to the report. After selecting the parameters, select the period for generating the report, monthly or quarterly. Next, select the desired month or quarter from the drop-down list. Select the state and jurisdiction. If necessary, select one or more vehicles from your list. To confirm the generation of the report, click on the button Generate Report. The report has been generated, and you can download the report in any format convenient for you: Excel, CSV, or PDF. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support, which is available 24/7.